In this video, we will guide you through the complete process of sunflower farming. From start to finish, you'll get all the necessary information. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to learn all the steps in a simple and straightforward manner. Hey friends! Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now and click on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started with today's video. Sunflowers are a type of flowering plant that are known for their large, bright yellow petals and distinctive dark center. They are part of the genus Helianthus, which includes about 70 different species. Sunflowers are native to North and South America, but have been widely cultivated around the world for their ornamental value, as well as for their seeds, which are used for food and oil. Sunflowers are also known for their ability to track the movement of the sun, a phenomenon known as heliotropism. Young sunflowers face east in the morning and then follow the sun as it moves across the sky, facing west by the end of the day. Here are the general steps for growing sunflowers. Choose a sunny location. Sunflowers need full sun, so choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Prepare the soil. Sunflowers prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Till the soil to a depth of at least 12 inches, removing any rocks or debris. Plant the seeds. Plant sunflower seeds directly in the ground after the last frost, or start them indoors 2 to 4 weeks before the last frost. Plant the seeds 1 to 2 inches deep, and space them about 6 inches apart for smaller varieties, or up to 24 inches apart for larger varieties. Water regularly. Water the sunflowers regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Sunflowers need about 1 inch of water per week, either from rainfall or supplemental watering. Fertilize. Sunflowers benefit from regular fertilization, especially when they are first starting to grow. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the instructions on the package. Support the plants. As the sunflowers grow, they may need support to prevent them from falling over. You can use stakes or a trellis to support the plants, or grow them near a fence or wall for natural support. Harvest the seeds. Sunflowers are typically ready to harvest in the fall, when the back of the flower head turns yellow and the seeds are fully developed. Cut the flower head of the plant and hang it upside down to dry. Once the seeds are dry, you can remove them from the flower head and store them in a dry, cool place. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully grow sunflowers in your garden or outdoor space. Sunflowers have several commercial uses, which make them an important crop for the agriculture industry. Here are some ways sunflowers are marketed. Food. Sunflower seeds are a popular snack, often sold roasted and salted in grocery stores. They are also used in a variety of foods, such as bread, granola, and trail mix. Sunflower oil is another common product, and is used in cooking and as a base for salad dressings and mayonnaise. Animal feed. Sunflowers are a common ingredient in animal feed, particularly for birds and small animals. Sunflower seeds and meal are high in protein and other nutrients, making them a nutritious choice for animal feed. Biofuel. Sunflowers are also used as a source of biofuel, particularly in Europe. Sunflower oil can be converted into biodiesel, which is a renewable and environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Ornamental. Sunflowers are also popular as ornamental plants, particularly in home gardens and for cut flowers. Florists often use sunflowers in bouquets and arrangements, and they are a popular choice for fall and summer weddings. Pharmaceuticals. Sunflowers have also been studied for their potential medicinal properties, particularly for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Extracts from sunflowers have been used in some topical treatments for skin conditions. The marketing of sunflowers varies depending on the specific product and market, but typically involves advertising and promotion through a variety of channels, such as print and online media, events, and trade shows. Sunflower growers and producers may also work with distributors and retailers to get their products to market. Profit in sunflower farming. Sunflower farming can be a profitable venture if managed properly, with yields of over 20 quintals per hectare resulting in thousands of dollars in profit. Best practices such as timely harvesting, modern mechanical methods, grading, and proper storage can maximize profits, as can exploring value-added products such as sunflower oil. With the right strategies in place, sunflower farming can be both profitable and sustainable for farmers. We hope you found it helpful and educational. If you did, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, so they too can benefit from this knowledge. To keep up with our latest updates on agriculture and farming, be sure to subscribe to our Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. We promise to bring you more informative and exciting content that will enhance your farming skills. Thank you for choosing Discover Agriculture, and we look forward to seeing you again with new and exciting videos. Have a fantastic day.